Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I want to do an album share with you. It's a final review of our Rouge Folio album, okay? I did decorate it with the Rouge collection from 49th and Market, and I did use um, kind of a maroon colored and a very light pink from Michael's 8.5 by 11 paper collections. Okay, I do have a tutorial for this. If you would like to purchase it, it's over on my website. Um, it does teach you step by step how to make this album and decorate it as well. And this album does have two. I I did a final review earlier on my YouTube channel. I actually have two of these, but this one is decorated. Um, I actually like this one better than the other one. But so here's is the spine of the album. Here is the back. Okay. And also if you'll go to my playlist, I also did teach this here on YouTube. It's been many months ago. Well, back in April. And then my mom had her heart attack and everything. And I just now got around to decorating this one. Okay. But down below, I will put the playlist to where you can go check it out, or you can purchase it from my website. And that way it's yours forever to keep. So you open it up. And it does feature my floating folio hinge that I've showed you, probably 3 years ago how to make. It does allow for a lot of room in your album. So you could fit a lot of photos in here. You could really embellish it up if you wanted to. I'm not a real big embellisher, but you can. So here, I tied this, put a ribbon on here. So to keep this all nice and tidy. And here, what I done is I stuck tie-back underneath this paper to keep this ribbon from coming through to, ripping my cardstock here. So I just put the tie back where the ribbon was, and I done the same thing over here. Okay, so this opens up, and I only used one collection kit from 49th and Market, and I pretty well used up almost all the paper. I didn't hardly have any scraps left to do the photo mats. And this was one of the big embellishments. I just split it in half and divided it on the page. I thought that was pretty cool. And this is one of the embellishment pieces. I was running so low on paper, so those big pieces that you get in the ephemera bits, I used it as paper. And then this flips open. And I done the same thing here as well. Very sweet album. I hope you will want to make this. And like I said, you can go down below in the playlist, or search Rouge Folio album, and it should come up. There's 3 classes that teaches you how to make this, or you can purchase the tutorial. Totally up to you. So here is just a little waterfall, and then this opens up, and then we have a pocket. So I done that. And here I just used a piece of scrap that was left from one of the slanted pockets and used up some of the tags or ephemera pieces and put them in here, and then used them in the pocket. But very cute. And I did use a lot of strips in this collection. Okay, I love using strips. I think it just adds, I just think it makes your album look very nice. So here we have another waterfall. So that opens up. That opens. And I did use a punch, and it's a Martha Stewart's. It's an old older ones when she first started doing this, and you done a quarterly thing with them, and I have one full year's worth. So I use them every once in a while, but I just thought this album I just thought it called for it. Because they had done that right here as well. I just thought this album was so elegant that it just added to it. Here I just kind of collaged some of the pieces up. This flips open. Then we have a photo mat here, and I ran the paper down. And then this opens. And this opens. Well, I guess I should take this out. But I ran the whole pattern down the front of it. And it turned out really cute. And here's another of those strips. Excuse me. And I think, did I do this? Yeah, I done the same thing here too. Ran it down. And then I had to cut it because, this up here was wider than this. But a great way to use up those great big, pieces that has floral over it. A great way to use them up. Okay, we've done that one. Here we have this. This flips for that. And then we have 2 slanted pockets here. Very cute album. I just close this. And then that flips up. Very cute. Yeah, I like this one a lot better than the very first one I done. And then this flips here. And then this flips open here. And here was 2 pieces from the ephemera. And I glued cardstock to the back and left it open on the back so you could slide your photograph and then use those as photo mats. I thought that was pretty cute. So then that folds in. Oh wait, this one folds. There we go. Then that folds down. And again, I used one of those pieces from the ephemera kit because I was running low on paper. Normally I would have stuck them inside pockets, but I thought, you know what? It could help decorate. And that's what happened. Here we have a pocket. And I just collaged some pieces. And again, here's some more pieces from the collection. Again, I just left, oh wait, I didn't leave that open. I didn't leave it open. I glued the wrong end. I was supposed to leave this end all open, but I didn't. This one I did. Story of a crafter. Then that opens. And then we have this. Then again, on the back, we have slanted pockets. And I just slide right back in there. And this is a piece from the collection. I just slid it in there. And that is my Rouge Folio album. So I hope you enjoyed my album share with you. Hopefully I inspired you to create or gave you some ideas. That's why I do a lot of what I do is to help inspire you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. All right. That is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment if you want to, and or a question. I'll get back with you. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.